I deliver your food, sir.
Have fun. I am in the middle of a desert in Arizona. Good luck delivering my food.
No problem, sir.
I'll give you an extra $4 tip if you make it in 15 minutes.
Sir, I speeding.
What's the speed limit? Are you insane? Slow down.
No, sir. I need the extra $4.
10 minutes already passed. Are you close?
Yes, I have reached the desert. Moving to you.
You're not making it.
I am him, sir. The only thing impossible here is being this pretty.
Oh, that's so sweet. Wait. Why does it say you are in Area 51?
I took the wrong turn. Sir, I made a new friend. Let me introduce you. His name is George. I am happy with George.
Is that an alien?
Please, sir. He has a name. It is George.
Oh, I'm sorry. Anyways, you have 3 minutes only.
No worries, sir. I have arrived in your area. Sir, there is big ratty.
Fight it!
No, sir. I have no enemy. I give him bite of pizza.
What?
Look, sir, he happy. I make new rat friend.
No way.
His name is George too.
Oh my god. Are you here?
I see you, sir. I'm here.
No way. I will tip you with $5 whole.
Thank you, sir.